Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. An auditor is evaluating the valuation of the client inventory, basically trying to determine a dollar amount. The inventory include slow-moving and obsolete items that may not sell at the recorded cost. Okay, management estimation process is subjective. So they're telling you management's going to make an estimate to determine the value of the inventory. Now, the auditor concern about the accuracy of the valuation estimate relate primarily to which type of risk. So management made this estimate. Your job as the auditor is determine what type of risk am I dealing with here. Now, if you're taking this question on farhatlectures.com, the first thing is you can do is, I don't remember all about this. You could just ask AI, explain this topic. It will explain the topic and you could go back and kind of reread a summary of the topic, what they're asking about. It doesn't tell you what the answer is, just gives you an idea what are they asking about. What does it mean to have estimate that's subjective? Then you can go over the answer choices. Well, is this control risk, inherent risk, financial statement level risk, or detection risk? Here you have to kind of go through what you know. What's control risk? Control risk is policies and procedures that the company implement, and you as an auditor is trying to evaluate to determine whether those control risks are designed properly, working properly, implemented, and they are doing their job. Is this what you are doing here? We're not dealing with any controls here. We're dealing with an estimate that the company is making. It has nothing to do with control risk. So I would take out A. B, inherent risk at the assertion level. Well, if you know anything about assertions, accuracy is one of these assertions. And once we have estimate involved, our inherent risk goes up. So yes, we are dealing with an assertion level type of risk. And because it's estimate, it's the inherent risk is high. I would say between A and B, I will take out A, keep B. Is this a financial statement level risk? I would say not. We're dealing with inventory, one line item. I would say take out B because take out C because B is a better answer choice. And is it a detection risk? And if you don't want a detection risk, you should not choose it. Detection risk is set by the auditor, so we're not talking about detection risk here. We'll talk about it later. Therefore, the answer is B. Now, you could look at the answer choices. If you don't like the answer choices on Farhat Lectures, you could tell AI, explain the correct and incorrect answer, and it will emphasize, it will give you an alternative explanation for it. And if you really like this question and you want a similar question, you can tell AI, create a similar MCQ. You click on it, it gives you a similar MCQ to do what? To kind of go back and retest your knowledge. Now, whether you are a CPA exam candidate, an accounting student, an EA, a CMA, it doesn't matter. What matters is you invest in yourself, get those certification, put it behind you, focus on your career so you can change your life. Farhat Lectures is always here to help, and see you on the other side of success.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.